Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome and thanks so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Not too long, let's get on to the DIY. For this one, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree signs. I'm going to turn it over and paint it inside. I'm also going to take one of these little red truck ornaments. These come in a pack of 4 at Dollar Tree as well, and then also some Dollar Tree bells. After painting the inside of the frame, I'm going to take a little bit of that white fabric that I've been using in my DIYs and I'm going to glue it inside. I also did end up painting the frame red on the outside.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
This video is sponsored by Kiwi Co, who delivers science and art projects right to your door for crafters of all ages. This would make a perfect holiday gift. You can get 60% off your first order. The price depends on how long you want to subscribe to. They do have free shipping and you can cancel anytime. They did send me 3 different crates. The first one was a macrame planter and it's really cool. It has everything that you need to be able to make your planters, and then you also can watch a YouTube video to show you step by step on how to create them. If you don't want to do the monthly subscription, you guys can also get individual projects sent to your home. The Panda Crate is perfect for someone like Milani's age, and it encourages them to play and learn by interacting with who else but Mama and Daddy. Some of these can take quite some time to create, so I'm going to do the Doodle Crate, which seemed like it was one of the easier ones, and I'm going to make some candles. This Doodle Crate is meant for ages 9 to 13, so everything is pretty simple and the directions are really easy to follow.
On a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
So there you go, you guys. I made a candle. It was super easy to follow. Unfortunately, I did not have enough time to make all 3 of them, but if you guys are interested, make sure you guys check out the link below and get your 60% off your first month. For this one, I'm using one of these wooden Dollar Tree crates, also a Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and I was going to use the burlap fabric, but I just ended up using a little bit of my scarf. This scarf has seen a lot of projects, and then also some floral foam and just some little extras, some beads and stems that I just found in my stockpile. Taking my black acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and a baby wipe, I'm just using it as a stain on the crate. And then once it's stained all over, I'm gonna start decorating. So you guys enjoy. I'm gonna stop talking now.
Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just...
So that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.